I'm going to show you how to play Counter-Strike 2 on your mobile in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. The process is very easy. All you need to do is go to Steam on your PC, go to Library, and then right here search for Counter-Strike 2. So once you click it, you will see the play option and then this arrow. So click this icon and then you can select if you want to play on this computer or on a mobile device. So click right here and you will see the steps. So it's very easy. You need to install the Steam Link app on the device you want to play, so your phone. To do that, just scan this QR code, or you can also go to Google Play or the App Store to download the app. Then you need to open the app and connect it to your computer by using your Steam account, and after that you will be able to play on the mobile device. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.